have arrived here, HAL Museum. Then, thank you. It's 50 rupees per person. Ngasi na lang ay se HAL dane. HAL Aerospace Museum da. Aerospace Museum da laito se koi fighter jet, helicopter, aduke fighter engine gumba so demonstration ta oba jaga ne. Stimulator sule stimulator to try taroke. Weekend natavanina medium lagte though, but still I do exam lower. I have done with my exam, so I'm coming here down. Koi aeroplane gas habam India ki ham museum ham mane India ki aerospace museum je India da koi han boy duni sina like vaje do magi life ham ja koi manak ta ki sham nak pa ina koi re ba chat ki khan ba do amta di chat tre do ngasina first time nei lai se do maning the background da jet ama le re jet की मरे में मरद है MARUT the pilot tung mâm lấy ra bao nhiêu details तो मैं am yengo मरद HF 24 LSP records da चावे tung ning mai ste next MIG जिसको कर फाउ तो माले MIG-21 का fighter jet चले रहे MIG-21 चले रहे and here this is the engine. I think so. This is the flight engine. Hindustan jet trainer 36 IJT she flight team jet fazega red machusa IJT din faze light combat aircraft hai light combat aircraft and the next we have here Laska pilot target aircraft sidam pi bacha ne side si aircraft side sidama lei ra sina exit is JEET exit from yam postana le over the yamna le ko waterfall Canberra entrance of other side. Canberra is here. So it's with the chande. Here's the Canberra. Here. A multi-role aircraft used by Indian Air Force as a bomber trainer and high altitude photographic reconnaissance aircraft. First flight 1949 the private jet ne ahan boina power plane 2 roller full capacity 12,569 liter. Wow, chaka. Oh my god, so miles. Stick Travel Limited. Shidi am fazana lai to male ko hatoppa ka hai na. Here what you have. Stamale re. Oh. Shidi chawe he. Car le. 04 का था Indian Navy ने शेयर नबा helicopter ने chopper like K-42 बाकी capacity से fuel से 3636 liters of conversion. First flight 1969 so first flight in 1969 the pie Sige helicopter se ahan moina paikhathibase 1969 ko akoi poktri ako babu matungda kui de ko ari bani sakra sai lai sin si yamna sabade nate hujik pung ani tadri ko ama makhai mo ko ado sida macha ama lere shise PT 32 F4 mi ani phomam yawe manung da mai se ko mai 1210 kg khak keno to ngam mai ma se well man design da wa macha khak ni da sidi picture ni pai chaw am se le ko chaw ama it's the biggest one tummi ma to jam sai je ko helicopter makhon da adam nillaga ta le re ba C691 haidi video da di taram godra khang de ba to ada fire se pai chalak to ne ba se tammi ne ba ko pai ba tammi ne ba moi se sai da sige jaga se koi gi Bangalore da ko haidi weekend gumada sum angang gai por aga sanabam khobam yamna nungai ba jaga ne ba mosida haidi moi gi lai se saida angang su yam pam ba jaga oi duine ba weekend dum la aga family la aga lunch kumba dum lawom su yai yom da gi por aga picnic ki type ta tau duni da adu atopa su yenga je somna kanda si manung changure manung jet ama le howe adu le helicopter le hore and then akoi sona kanda mu chala ji ko somna kanda su mayam lai ri advanced light helicopter draft chawe dong edi anung da ariba helicopter oi doni ko se chawe ma se maning na pangkha ti pyaw hai angang ga por aga dum moi family lak pa se yam nungai ma le ba ko next one values to detect weather khung to oi ma le ko sina devot shizumi ho do hon jin to ba gi ma le sina maning da gi se Moming dog they won after Indian independent da ko 1950 koi ga pokri wale koi pokra ba jet ki engine ne ba se jet fighter ki engine noi dune ba se ko oina demonstration tor thami se jet fighter ki engine ne se U784 ge asigi jet chigi engine noi dune se oisa idale ise Kiran period of production from 1967 to 1982 MK1 from 83 to 89 MK2 power plant Kiran MK1 fighter jet oi dune frontal light kya hoy mas Hindustan trainer Hansa hai side tu noi da wa ni si tu ga lau tak mathak ta koi that pya ni Hansa ko even useful lot 200 kg yam de chawe ko hit sil ni se satellite tham na sian na ba flight ki mamang chakani ge. This nose landing gear was presented at the Aero India 2003 by Louis Lee, Chairman Mason. Landing to the Sienna. Land of the Sienna, she's a pythorop of the season, she parts. Spark. She no Omaliko. This is the latest one. I don't know exactly Manunga Tamishina. Parachute at the layer, so I'm not going to give you a say. Then here's the engine number layers. Hi. Hello. Then here's the engine. Used on the Kota aircraft, well with American Executive 1944 capture photo. Adore engine this is Adore MK811 engine. MK811 engine this later. Sigi photo siga engine siga chamane. Orpheus 70105. Jet ki engine aata nahi base ko. Garrett 331 5252D. Axial flow turbo. Next HAL 2500 1965 ta sawa. Mass flow. Engine aata nahi ko se. Dark Mark 5332. Details later. Aero passenger aircraft national passenger aircraft nika. Ejana sawa. Invent over. Trainer aircraft. This is a trainer aircraft. HAL HPT 32. My mumming now HPT 32. And here live observation helicopter. Light observation helicopter. So ginakan jina engine ngata leraga. Those the Basan have a jet designed and developed by HAL. Sigi aircraft sigi maming Basan kawe Basan. Designed to about the Basan ka making maming Basan ka is. Hi. Hello.
Say hi.
What's your name? Vion. You're from?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Nice to meet you. Bye. Yeah, here's one cute. Yeah. Hello.
Say hi, Sadie. Hi.
Hello. What's your name?
Hello, Sid.
Then here like the air traffic controller ki kano da laibu do oiduni ase ase muk changjal lagi yengase. Air traffic controller rather an antenna. Frequency 1250 megahertz to 1350 ka. Air traffic controller da airport mathak ta laibu do. Basic moigi stimulator hange ko. Excuse me sir. Yeah, stimulator. Upper. Okay. Thank you. Hojiki aina changuba engine ma'am le hodo. Adugi mathakta lay have stimulator basic stimulator yeng ma changani. Stimulator ke ga yeng tharoge. Sida mathakta si manungda changaga lay stimulator do yaramdre ba. Ai do moigi do yaramdre do ikumdare. Hojik yadaba oil lerame angang gidi yare ahan gidi yaramdre ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯤꯃꯨꯂꯦꯇꯔꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯠꯀꯤ ꯖꯦꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯤꯃꯨꯂꯦꯇꯔ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯦ ꯏꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯃꯦꯅꯨꯐꯦꯛꯆरिꯡ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯊꯝꯃꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯤꯃꯨꯂꯦꯇꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯤꯃꯨꯂꯦꯇꯔꯗ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯔꯦ HAL ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯐꯥꯎ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ and thank you so much for watching my video ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯒꯇ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ so have a nice day bye
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers.